In this video, we will demonstrate our user interfaces for our SM050 and WaveFusion radars. The two radars share much of the user interfaces. From miros.app, once signed in, select the site you would like to view its real-time data. If it has WaveFusion or SM050, you will see a dashboard like this. Here, you can see real-time data for wave height, direction, and period. You can download your data with the download icon at the top right corner of the page. By hovering mouse over charts, you can see more data value displayed. You can also easily zoom in to see more details, or adjust the default chart time range. SM050 radar measures surface currents. Current data can be found on its own tab. We also offer forecast integration, where your chosen forecast data gets displayed on our dashboard with your site's real-time measurements. In this tab, you can easily visualize differences between site's measurements and forecast. You can hover the mouse between green and gray lines to see both values of the same time frame, to help your operation decision-making. Furthermore, you can use the button at the top right corner to set alerts when defined parameters reach your set limits. Those are the key features for Miros Cloud Home. But another very useful Miros user interface for accessing WaveFusion and SM050 data is our Data Explorer. It can be accessed by selecting the application's icon. Data Explorer is the most customizable user interface for both data analysts and operators whose job are not to wrangle and analyze data. We've prepared the data and present them for you to access and make decisions with them. We also have dedicated videos to introduce more details on Data Explorer. Here is a short presentation on utilizing Data Explorer to access WaveFusion and SM050 data. Data Explorer allows users to build dashboards from ground up and fully customize it to your preferences. In this video, we will skip the steps of calling up a dashboard from Data Explorer homepage and adding each chart from scratch. This will be introduced in Data Explorer's dedicated tutorial video. Starting from the example chart at the top left of the screen, you can plot max and significant wave heights in the same chart for comparison and simple clear visualization, with their precise real-time data displayed on the right. The same click and zoom feature from Miros Cloud Home can be used on Data Explorer too. On the bottom left, various wave period parameters are plotted in the same chart, and their real-time data displayed again on the right. In the next chart, we can view comparisons of various wave direction parameters. We understand that, despite trend charts being great at showing time series data movements, it isn't always the best for visualizing directional data with wraparound at 0 and 360 degrees. So, you can simply add a polar chart for this purpose. Last but not least, for SM050, you can get surface current measurements. These data can be accessed on Data Explorer too. If you have further queries, feel free to get in touch with us directly.